Memo akwaba deba GCN page so meeting at the address searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. For me a bell on so obey a notification. Video be abenye bi ahwe. Jude Ghana niba na wahye na dwen the afa NDC for omo court case and sensemi ho. Adofo ye nyina enim se Ghana mbra no kire se woye Ghana niba na se ensem bi ekoso ewo manmu na se ompe ana se kire wadwen so a utumi kire wadwen. Na first no crowd na radio stations, TV stations and na se omo program de efa oman ho a omo ebie phone lines etum na Ghana for efre de omo adwenkyere eba na the social media abede ene na akohwe comment na ebu chaw ene de oyeya eyeya de okire na dwen ekire na se na Ghana yen constitution no ekire no se freedom of speech enti se ensem bi ekoso ewo manmu na se obi empa otumi ekire na dwen ewo social media utumi kire wadwen ewo mbra kwan so ayeye bia enim na ene youth no monte ensem bi yomo abufu apanti ene aya no krade omo di femi kra omo ehwe na eno ena Jude akire na dwen de afa NDC omo court case ensensemi ho na Jude ni nsem a okin na ene se NDC for omo nsem omo de akoda no court no se lawyers no ekasa ewie na se judge for no de omo final decision eba outa ese se NDC for mpenifo titrupa ene omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ese se court no punish yomo ese omo face law ne papa because NDC for adada Ghana for na de enti Jude ekasa ina ne se 2020 abra yeto aba ewie ewo Ghana ha no Madam Jane Mensa the declaration no eba out say His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na wasan so enwini na NDC for so month ase because per omo figures bi omo wo a omo keka bubo mu no ese NDC for na edi nkunim adenti na Madam Jane Mensa ade abano ama MPP for NDC for so mo enti ase nti omo de ensem no court na omo de asem no court no omo first witness omo general secretary Owura Esiedu Enketia omo bisand say NDC for musimu na mo enwini na figures ben na mo keka bubo mu a munya 50+1 I chese mo enwini Owura Esiedu Enketia so muni okay fine mo say NPP for omo enwini na figures ben na mo keka bubo mu a chese NPP for mo enwini Owura Esiedu Enketia se omo ni na omo amba court ya so omo enwini na emome no abano mo hwa ankoye ntin kebe ya EC boss and conduct election for between Nanado and our manpeni dada John Dramani Mahama na eno enam so a NDC supporters omo esi monten demonstrations akese eseye nyama ebi epredra ebi mu wu na de ade na anya asem keto akwa Ghana ha no na eno ena Jude echese se na NDC for etumi ama na demonstration esi Ghana ha West Ghana sika West Ghana soldiers na police for akobom ho ban na mo court mo asan so akosisa mo anu se aba no mo enwini na emom no enyeme bi na ankoyi enti no court na ehwe no mo enka no entro na mo de ama Ghana for because how am si presenting mo case no de emaye no totally different from the mo court mo ekokan na Jude de ne comment we by bra NPP for mo addressing nation no a omo eka che yen say NDC for omo court no mo nsama omo eka no different na omo eba out nso a omo nsama omo ka different omo ya se na ebeja Ghana for ebehu say court no empese omo beke bi ama NDC for na adofo yentie comment Jude eba o tre say Mahama and the executives of the NDC must face the law after this petition. Why? Because they lied and disturbed the public peace. In some way,
Jude, we can to destroy. As long as it's not coming from our camp, we will not agree. Those who were smart enough, they left. Mumbisa Moho said, where is Kwame Ahoy? Where's Atu Ahoy? Those people that the NDC for Nankasano, the real main NDC for no Omo He. Where are they? Why are they not on this journey with you guys? I don't know in our tiada. Because someone will say the current situation or the current state of NDC, problematic. To me, for me, bibia mani ye. Adis yenko kunipa, yenko shiade, yen tiasi, ye boys. Hey, let's organize boys, no more jama, and the NDC for beba. ye de obi akokot ye penipa kakra no ma hye party t-shirt e de akodi na chi NDC for beko hey enso o hye wo ho oh enya hwe ye beko mo fengu ye ho ye nkokọ hey sa ntimo de bia no we abukashi na abukashi eno nko a da bi nye na abukashi nko a NDC enye na abukashi nko a to da mo mama dwene no enye adwuma mo manyankopon na ni onyam ndadi se mo de na adwene odem a mo no be ye adwuma sebe some of you mo wonyansa chen sami jamfi enso sami jamfi be ba be ka asem a kire no wagye adi na no mo na wo de be ye adwuma enkosi da ben mo be kokot afi mo wen guase eko mo wen guase a afi de mo de to mo okay now me ba ha na me be kasa na se manka me so me party asem a Mr. Ayi Kwekuado hold no who said president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president say he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting say since that is the case, we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? Say Nana Akufo-Addo ne win ya na. I still don't get you guys. Aden na bibia minuanum we be ye bia no say ye ntro say ye nada say ye wickedness just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so mo bi bia ye bone. Now, omu wie ye no. And almost signed the question petition. Patrotio, I couldn't see I'm taking you guys back because Ghana for me who say some of us ye mu bebre no ye yare awiefre. A refrain idea where you are setting up panel and my refrain idea ntem because I would assume for 4 or 5 years. Nenya miada Roma will be a ba. That's a 4 or 5 years. What a high mo I won't consume. Nenya miya my opportunity say, Koda say ni payas say, where to me the higher see so from fear 9. That's a woko to a betiana say, who ped your doom so a buy yama will business say ye, wo mewu ye, ye wukunedi, ye ye just say hairdressers for baba for wine ice water for ice cream for ni na ho chire omo. And these are all people that are in Ghana. And anyone that was in Ghana anybody that was in Ghana during the Doomsor time faced it and knew how devastating the Doomsor thing was. It is a free sa ade ni muni na afi na sen emfie 920 because na na Akufo-Addo aba wo kan yesi so wo light ye adwuma wonya ayi iron de to ade e say wonya light di sua ade enti no wo wi afi say na wo da sumu a then you mean say we really have to educate and conscientize our people because say yanhwe ni yi a on ebedu brebi no sebe ejimifo ene ebedi Ghana so ebedu brebi no wo mu a sebe ye ni sika na mbom power in terms of sika. Sorry, omunim nyansa omudibu my name in terms of sika no mo scan womo ene bebedi o mine so sika so sebe endi mine so sika yemfe mbu mine in terms of say so we sikania and no doesn't make you a good government or a good president or a good leader. You might have money and still be a bad management of money. We've seen so many people I know muska, but they sound some bad managers into no musika na ntumi anya den and survival omo bo form. We see this day in day out. Into seminar say NDC niba. Na so see or court. Already no why a press conference say where we need say. O court ya and no kan where you ho. Afi wo court so a. Won sem kura say be fa court. Na ye nyina so ma no. What the constitution no to why you be bebre mu agu. And ye ma mo chance say, Mombe amend mo petition. Ye ma mo chance no. Mini aba ma. Ye ma NDC for chance so so mo sanko anko amendia. Omo entumi amfa we ni na amba wo instead no. Omo kofa kire kofa ade bia ye friend interrogatories 12 and omo de bae. Ye ni na ye hu dia judges ne ye. Omo boni na agu ye. Eno nkoda nchen. Ye we ye no. And you be so say witnesses are here and wa to prove their case. Now witness omuko bi o ma no said they have 5 witnesses who follow court case ni bia no say mentia na me twa ntro ye ni na ye hwe bi. So me metna nka say I'm saying something different. Almost say almost the 5 witnesses and ebeba and ye ti asem a omo. Ebre ni duru ye say ye mbedi asem no na 5 witnesses no afa de change Akwa two for now. Ne two no so the prime one say wom eye Siedun Ketia. Now listen, I have no problem with the Siedun Ketia being a key witness